Been at Rent-One Park will help a lot of parents out.
Yeah, and of course this time of year, I know there's a lot of folks that spend a lot of time outdoors, but sometimes battling the heat and of course the humidity as well. Nice morning outside, pretty refreshing as we've seen the temperatures drop. The humidity has dropped over the last 24 hours as dew points have dropped back into the 50s, and we are going to start the day with a lot of blue sky and a lot of sunshine. Should be pretty nice here, especially for the mid part of July. A live view from Carbondale looking back towards the north and west, and hardly a cloud in the sky right now. 62 degrees. Once again, winds have gone calm. Could see some patchy fog in a few areas as dew points have dropped back in some locations in the upper 50s and lower 60s. You think back to this time yesterday morning, we were waking up into the low to mid 70s, so quite a bit cooler this morning. May even need a light jacket in some locations. Won't be surprised here over the next, say, half an hour. We see a few spots even dip into the upper 50s. This afternoon is going to be on the warm side of things. We'll be right back near average for this time of year, which is into the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees, but the humidity remains tolerable through the rest of this week. We'll likely see some lower 90s across southeast Missouri today and see a few more lower 90s into southern Illinois for your Thursday and Friday, but all is quiet through the end of this week. We are tracking a chance for a few showers and storms. That's really our next rain chance that shows up in the forecast coming this weekend, primarily focused towards the end of the weekend and next week. I hope you enjoy the next couple of days because next week looks flat out hot once again as temperatures will bounce likely back in the mid, possibly upper 90s. There goes the cold front that moved through here yesterday morning, and we are seeing now some cooler air work its way southward down to 69 in St. Louis and Kansas City. Locally, we've got lower 60s in southern Illinois, still 70 in Poplar Bluff this morning. To our south, Memphis, Tennessee, currently at 79 degrees, but there you go, the humidity dropping. Those dew points are back into the lower 60s, and at least for this time of year, that's some fairly pleasant air. To our south, dew points still from Nashville to Memphis and Little Rock running into the lower 70s. And all is quiet. We've had a few showers and storms late last night, mainly in some of our far southern counties of northwest Tennessee, the Missouri Boot Heel. Those clearing to our south. If you are into, say, far southern Illinois near the Ohio River, you look to the south, you can see some of these clouds in the distance. They are moving away from us. But if you're doing any traveling, I know there's a lot of folks in our region that do some vacation time right along the Florida peninsula there, Panhandle as well. Could see, say, from Destin back over towards Tallahassee, Panama City, a lot of wet weather as a little weak disturbance forms right along the Gulf Coast, but that stays to our south here over the next couple of days. Lunchtime temperatures today into the low to mid 80s, lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine. We'll see a few fair weather clouds around this afternoon. Upper 80s across southern Illinois, still some lower 90s into parts of southeast Missouri, and then overnight tonight, once again dropping back in the mid 60s, and then tomorrow afternoon, there you go, upper 80s, mainly east of I-57 and I-24, lower 90s, Carbondale southward over towards Cape Girardeau and Union City, Tennessee. But the humidity remaining on the tolerable side of things for at least the next few days. By the weekend, some of that mugginess begins to return back in our forecast, and that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook would put us towards the middle of next week. And notice the core of the heat looks to build across the plains, but we're going to get in on that as well. And you'll see that here show up in our 7 and our 10 day forecast. So lower 90s start to return Thursday and Friday. We're still in the low 90s on Saturday. Slightly better chances for a few scattered showers and storms Sunday. Still don't think by any means the day is a washout, but tracking a chance for even an isolated storm into Monday. That's the sign that the heat is set to build back up. Once those storm chances go down Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week, we'll begin seeing temperatures climbing back into the mid to upper 90s.
I'll tell you what, there is a lot going on this week, and hopefully the weather will cooperate.
Yeah, again, the weekend, I wouldn't cancel any plans over it. There's going to be a few hit and miss showers and storms, but that's what we're expecting at this point.
Well, I told you, it's nice hearing my air conditioning kick on and off for a change.
For sure.
All right, thanks.